we interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WCBS. We will continue to serve the New York City area. If you are not in this local area, you should now tune to stations serving your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the New York City area. Do not use your telephones. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. The following message is transmitted at the request of North American Aerospace Defense Command. 3 nuclear missiles have been detected over the Pacific Ocean. Current estimates are that they will impact the city of New York within the next 10 minutes. Everyone in a 100-mile radius of New York City needs to seek out a fallout shelter immediately. If no fallout shelters are near your area, get to an underground building or subway station. Get to the interior-most portion of the structure, and place as many walls between you and the outside as possible. Take a battery-powered radio with you, and tune to stations serving your area for more information. Only come out of the shelter if instructed to do so by local authorities. Repeating. 3 nuclear missiles are heading for the New York City area. Everyone in New York City or within 100 miles needs to get underground, or in a fallout shelter now.